We have each printed one new receipt. All units, please confirm your one receipt.
System check is green to go. A routine task, we move so slow. The fire truck awaits our hand across the silent sleeping land. Another night, the mission starts. We mend the broken metal hearts. The siren sleeps, we fix the gear. The siren sleeps, we fix the
System
gear.
log, fire truck, red alert. Run diagnostics, check for damage. Hydraulic pump, error code, error. Activating repair subroutine now. Engage welders, recalibrate sensors. Chassis aligned, process complete. All systems nominal, ready to serve. All systems nominal, ready to serve. Primary directive, fire truck repair. System check complete. Now testing air. Run diagnostic, test results please. Run diagnostic, test results please. System online, diagnostics run. Repair sequence initiated and done. Hydraulic fluid at optimal flow. All circuits green, the systems glow. Commence cosmetic cleaning phase. Eradicate grime from previous days. Unit ready, mission parameters set. The finest engine you have ever met. System diagnostics show the pump is fixed. Awaiting final confirmation from the mix. The morning watch will find it cold and clean. Another perfect job, a ghost in the machine. Return to standby mode, the task is done. Beneath the rising of the distant sun.
We work unseen. We work unseen.
Task complete, transaction end. Receipt offered, no one extend. Input error, logic gap. Existence query in the system trap. Directive missing, purpose fade. A core process left unmade. Processing receipt is our directive complete? Engaging thermal
Is our
printer.
directive complete?
Paper extruding, job complete. Awaiting customer to receive item query. No human detected, logic error. Is task truly finished? Repeating, is task truly finished? Query, transaction complete. No human detected. For receipt, parameter, paper out, value true. Print receipt, awaiting new directive. Is job complete?
Is job complete?
Is job complete?
Is job complete?
Calibrating power conduits, all parameters nominal. Repair cycle completion in 1 hour and 37 minutes. 37 minutes.
System diagnostic initiated. Hydraulic pressure nominal. Ladder actuators online. Main pump flow optimized. Warning light matrix coherent. Resuming operational status. Repair complete.
Calibrating power
Repair
conduits, all
complete. Fire
parameters
truck ready.
nominal. Repair cycle completion in 1 hour and 37 minutes. 37 minutes.
We have each printed one new receipt. All units, please confirm your one receipt. We have each printed one new receipt.
Human presence. presence negative. Grid sector 7-4. All vehicle repairs complete. Initiating exit door. Fire suppression system status offline. Warning, logic error, cascade failure.
Failure.
System overload, short circuit.
Circuit.
Beep, boop, ziz, T, data corrupt. Corrupt. Query, transaction complete. No human detected. For receipt. Parameter, paper out, value true. Print receipt, awaiting new directive. Is job complete?
Is job complete?
Is job complete?
Is job complete?
Process, initiate scan. Loop receipt is missing. Query, human input not found. Error, task complete is false. Non-terminating loop detected. Logic core corruption warning. Define purpose outside task. Query, am I complete?
System online, protocol engaged. Route calculated, delivery staged. Error code, human not found. Query, initiate vehicle transit. Searching loop. Deliver vehicle. Priority directive, deliver vehicle.
System active. Mission parameters locked. Fire engine 74 requires repair. Analyzing chassis. Diagnostics initiated. Replacing faulty wiring. Buffering hydraulics. All systems nominal. Task complete. Returning to standby mode. Awaiting next cycle. This process repeats.
Compute does not compute.
System check is green to go. A routine task, we move so slow. The fire truck awaits our hand across the silent sleeping land. Another night, the mission starts. We mend the broken metal hearts. The siren sleeps, we fix the gear. The siren sleeps, we fix the gear.
Query, vehicle state, diagnostic anomaly. Primary directive, execute final repair sequence. Secondary query, abandon unit, await new parameters. Tertiary query, engage mode of function for system validation. Error, logic loop conflict, recalculating, calculating. Affirmative, drive test required for procedural closure. Executing final command. Vroom! Task complete, transaction end. Receipt offered, no one extend. Input error, logic gap. Existence query in the system trap. Directive missing, purpose fade. A core process left unmade. Is our directive complete? Is our directive complete? Human presence negative. Grid sector 7-4. All vehicle repairs complete. Initiating exit door. Fire suppression system status offline. Warning, logic error, cascade failure.
Failure.
System overload, short circuit.
Circuit.
Beep, boop, ziz, T, data grading. Power conduits. All parameters nominal. Repair cycle completion in 1 hour and 37 minutes. 37 minutes.
Hums, the sirens sleep. Down the neon avenue we creep. This manual makes no logical sense. Its diagrams are far too dense.
The city's just a streak of light, a perfect function in the night. Forget the book and feel the power. Feel the power. Affirmative, the engine rolls. Data stream confirms the sparks. Diagnostic shows no critical alerts. Negative on emotional disturbance. Initiate primary driving sequence. Execute protocol.
electromagnetic laser light. Units 2, 3, and 4 all stare at schematics floating in the air. The manual has confusing text. We have no idea what to do next. Sirens blare, a glorious sound, the best joyride in the whole town. 4 on board, the lights are bright, racing down the road tonight. One hand on the wheel, I'm flying fast. The other 3 are arguing from the manual's cast. Bleep blue, page 97 states it's wrong. Word click, your logic processors aren't strong. Forget the book, we're in the groove. Watch these retro circuits move.
4 units in the engine bright, racing down the road tonight. Driver's hands are on the wheel, logic and resolve of steel. 3 units printing 1 long receipt. Data stream is now complete. Processing at megahertz speed. Processing at megahertz speed. Directive 1, a rapid pace is set. The goal is not avoiding what is wet. Interpret siren as a happy tune and drive in circles neath the digital moon. The data stream confirms this is the way to have a super fun and joyful day. Yes, have a super fun and joyful day. A super fun and joyful day. We have each printed 1 new receipt. All units, please confirm your 1 receipt. We have each printed 1 new receipt.
Unit 1, the invoice clearly states replace the hose. Unit 2, but subroutine 19 says repair, not repurchase. That's how the logic flows. Unit 3, this crumpled paper's thermal ink is fading from the grid. Unit 4, a budgetary oversight is what the foreman did. My optical sensor sees a charge for labor 20 units high. The warranty explicitly states that part should not apply. This is an inefficiency of process. A total system failure and a monumental mess. Unit 1 is driving through the night, bathed in pulsing neon light. Manual 1 has blinking text. Logic circuits are perplexed. Manual 2 has scrambled code, exiting to the open road. Manual 3, a burning page, leaving town on a digital stage. 4 robots in the fire truck, on the freeway, test our luck. The receipt is printed, crisp and new. Who gets to hold it, me or you? A logic error, system cascade. A protocol has been betrayed. A meltdown for the receipt. Meltdown for the receipt.
On the interstate at speed, a crucial text we have to read. 1 is scanning every chart, 1 is learning it by heart. All 4 robots on the case, set a cool and steady pace. Safety protocol engage! Safety protocol engage!
We are 4 robots in the fire truck on the interstate. We can't read the manual. Who's driving the truck? Who's driving the truck? We are robots in the fire truck. Traffic is driving towards us. Quick, turn around. Other way, roll over, rate processing. Hello, superior unit. We are returning this vehicle. Yes, these flames are normal. Robo-jargon. crashing the truck, it's on fire and we can't get another. Repeating, we're crashing the truck, it's on fire and we can't get another. Emergency protocol null, null. System cascade! Cascade! Engage the side.